The first clue here is that this is a quadratic function, and the basic format of a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c. We're seeing that at a time of 10, the distance is 50. So in other words, when x is 10, y is 50. So let's just plug that in. And simplify as much as we can. 100a plus 10b plus c. At a time of 20, the distance is 200. So let's plug that in just like we plugged in the other point. At a time of 20, it's 200. So 200 equals a 20 squared plus b 20 plus c. So simplifying, we have 400a plus 20b plus c. If the object was at a distance of 0 when t equals 0, well, let's plug that in too. That's the easy one to plug in. 0 equals a times 0 squared plus b times 0 plus c. So this is all 0. This is all 0. And we're seeing that c equals 0. So let's just write that right here. C equals 0. So if z is 0, then we can kind of pretend like this has been removed from here, and we can simplify these two. We've got 50 is 100a plus 10b, and we've got 200 is 400a plus 20b. So now we're kind of in business because we've got two equations and two variables here and here. And by definition, two equations and two variables solves. So just looking at it, the easiest way to maybe proceed from here, there are a couple of ways, but one way is to multiply this equation by -2. Negative 100 minus equals negative 200a minus 20b. Now, when you add straight down, you're going to get 100 equals 200a, and the b's canceled, divided by 200 on both sides, and a comes out to 1/2. So we just figured out what a is. We can take that and plug it back into either equation. Let's take this one right here, plug into that. 50 equals 100a, which is 1/2, plus 10b. So 50 equals 50 plus 10b. Take away 50, 10b equals 0, divide by 10, and b equals 0 here, 0 divided by 10. So now we've got a is 1/2, b is 0, and c is 0. These are our three variables. And so we rewrite the equation as ax squared plus bx plus c. B and c are both zeros, and a is 1/2, so it just looks like this right now. And what is the distance after 30 seconds? All we have to do is plug in x is 30. So, sorry, 1/2 times 30 squared is 1/2 times 900, which is 450. And that is our answer.